Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are solving for x. If 15 exponent 3 plus 20 exponent 3 plus 25 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. Okay? So if today is your first time on visiting our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for doing that. So we have 15 exponent 3 plus 20 exponent 3 plus 25 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. So here in algebra, 15 we can express it as 3 multiplied by 5. Or exponent 3 plus this one, you can write it as 4 times 5. Okay, or exponent 3 plus 25. You can say that 5 multiplied by 5 or exponent 3 is equal to x cubed exponent 3. Now, in algebra, when you have a dot b or exponent n is the same as a exponent m multiplied by b exponent m. So we are going to apply this here. So with this, we have 3 exponent 5 multiplied by 5 exponent 3 plus 4 exponent 3, here should be 3, multiplied by 5 exponent 3 plus 5 exponent 3 multiplied by 5 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. Now, you can see that in all this, we have 5 as a common term here. So let's factorize 5 exponent 3 out. So here we have 3 exponent 3 plus 4 exponent 3 plus 5 exponent 3, which is equal to x exponent 3. Now, we need to break things down. This 3 exponent 3 the same as 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 3, you're getting 27. Okay. Let's do 4 exponent 3. The same as 4 times 4. 4 is 16. 16 times 4, we are getting 64. And then 5 exponent 3, we have 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5, we are getting 125. Okay. So now our equation is going to be 5 exponent 3 into bracket 27 plus 64 plus 125 bracket, which is equal to x exponent 3. Okay. So from here, I say that 5 exponent 3 bracket 27 plus 64 plus 125, we are getting 216. So 216 bracket, which is equal to x exponent 3. Okay. So from here, we say that 5 exponent 3 bracket 216, we can break it down as 2 to the power 3 multiplying by 3 to the power 3. Okay. Which is equal to x exponent 3. So from here, you can say that 5 exponent 3 into bracket, this you can say that is the same as 2 multiplied by 3, or exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. 5 exponent 3 into bracket 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. So from here, you can say that 5 exponent 3 multiplied by 6 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. the exponents are common. So we can say that 5 multiplied by 6 are into bracket exponent 3, which is equal to x exponent 3. Okay. Now 5 times 6, you are getting 30. So it will be 30 exponent 3, which is equal to x exponent 3. So from here, we say that 30 exponent 3 is equal to x exponent 3. We need x. That's what we're solving for, not x cubed. So in this case, we take the cubic root of both sides. So this 3 will cancel the cubic root. So leaving 30 is equal to x. So in this case, we say that our x is equal to 30. So this is the solution or the value for x. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.